In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF on mobile using WPS Office. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a PDF, make precise edits, and save or share your updated file, all from your phone. Start by opening the WPS Office app. On the home screen, tap Open, then browse to the PDF you want to work on. This could be in your device storage, downloads, or a connected cloud drive. Give it a moment to load and pinch to zoom if you want a closer look at any section before you begin. With the PDF open, look for the Edit button or the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. Both lead you to the same place, the Editing features. From here, decide what kind of change you need. If you want to modify existing words, choose Edit Text. Tap directly on the text you want to change, place the cursor where you need it, and type. You can usually adjust font, size, color, or alignment using the formatting bar that appears. If the text won't select, the document might be a scanned image. In that case, consider using the annotate tools instead. If you're adding something new, choose Add Text. Tap the spot where the new content should go, type your note or paragraph, and drag the text box to position it precisely. Resize or style it so it matches the document's look. For quick markups, pick Annotate. Highlight important lines, underline key phrases, or draw freehand with the pen tool. You can change colors and thickness to keep your notes clear. This is great for reviewing documents without altering the original wording. To place visuals, select Insert Image. Choose a picture from your gallery or take a new photo. Once it appears, pinch to resize, rotate if needed, and position it exactly. This is perfect for adding a logo or a scanned signature. If you're inserting a signature image, place it near the signature line and size it to fit neatly. When you're happy with your changes, look for Save or the checkmark icon to keep your edits. If prompted, choose whether to overwrite the original or save a copy. Saving a copy is a safe way to preserve the untouched file. Consider renaming the edited version so it's easy to find later. Finally, export or share the edited PDF if you need to send it out. Use the share option to email it, message it, or upload it to your cloud storage. And that's it. Simple, fast, and done right on your phone with WPS Office.